In this video, we will talk about how the beecrowd academic system works when integrated with LMS platforms, the virtual learning environments, VLEs. beecrowd offers native connections using the LTI 1.3 Advantage standard from the OneEdTech Consortium, currently the most modern standard available for integration between academic solutions. The OneEdTech Consortium is a global community committed to building an integrated base of open standards that make educational technology more efficient for everyone. Since 2024, beecrowd has been committed to using these open and efficient global standards defined by OneEdTech. The paid institutional or corporate plan of beecrowd allows integration with any LMS system compatible with the LTI 1.3 Advantage standard. Among the compatible systems are Moodle, Canvas LMS by Instructure, Brightspace LMS by D2L, Blackboard Learn by Anthology. Among other local and global virtual learning environments, beecrowd is also a certified global partner of all these LMS providers. Once integrated with the LMS, beecrowd begins to offer various additional features. Single sign-on, SSO. Students and professors use their LMS credentials to access beecrowd without the need to create or use a username and password on the beecrowd platform. Automatic account creation. On first access via LMS, accounts on beecrowd are automatically created and linked to LMS credentials. Automatic enrollment in disciplines. Students registered in disciplines on the LMS are automatically enrolled in the corresponding disciplines on beecrowd Academic, eliminating the need for manual registration via email or access key. Direct access. Students and professors access beecrowd activities directly from the LMS. Administrator profile allows easy management of professors and faculty members' access to beecrowd through a control panel. Activity sharing. Professors can share customized problems, disciplines, exercise lists, and competitions with other faculty members of the institution. Direct use in the curriculum. It is possible to insert practical activities from beecrowd directly within the course modules in the LMS, facilitating the inclusion of programming practices in the curricular content. Grade integration. The grades and results from exercise lists are automatically sent from beecrowd to the LMS, allowing real-time monitoring by students and professors. The integration of beecrowd Academic with the LMS requires the participation of the institution's LMS administrator, who must manually or automatically release access keys through the dynamic registration feature of the LTI 1.3 standard. This process occurs immediately after the institution contracts the institutional or corporate plan. After integration, the use of beecrowd Academic in the LMS follows this flow. Create in beecrowd Academic all the practical activities you want to share with your students, such as disciplines, exercise lists, with public or customized problems, and programming contests, common or with customized exercises. Choose the locations in the LMS curriculum where the activities will be inserted. Next, select the option to add external tool content in the LMS. Choose beecrowd and select the desired activities. This process may vary slightly depending on the LMS system used. Below, we demonstrate how to perform the integration in the three most common systems. Moodle LMS. Once inside your course, activate Edit mode and click on the Add icon to add content. Select Activity or Resource. Choose the beecrowd icon and click on Select Content. Moodle will access your beecrowd Academic account and display all your activities created there. Select the desired item and click on Save and Return to Course. The selected activity will be directly included in the course modules. You can now reposition the activity directly in Moodle and edit its settings as needed. Canvas LMS. In the Canvas LMS, access your course and go to Assignments. Click on Plus Assignment and fill in the fields as you would when creating any assignment: name, points, start and end dates. In Submission type, select External Tool and then click on Find. In the list of connected tools, choose beecrowd. Canvas will access your beecrowd academic account and list all your activities. Select the desired item. Check the Load in a New Tab option and click Select. Finish by clicking Save or Save and Publish. Once published, the assignment can be added to the course modules like any other activity created in Canvas. Through the Modules option and the More icon. D2L Brightspace LMS. In the Brightspace, within the desired course and module, click on Add Existing. Select beecrowd or beecrowd exercises. The system will access your beecrowd academic account and display all created activities. Choose the desired item, which will be automatically inserted into the module. You can then reposition the activity and edit its settings as needed. After including beecrowd activities in the LMS, you will be able to use all the features already available in your virtual learning environment, such as setting deadlines, scoring, weights, activity progression rules, among others. beecrowd sends the scores of the exercise lists to the LMS online and in percentage format from 0 to 100% completion. The LMS automatically converts these percentages to the grading system adopted by your institution, as defined in the LMS, for example 0 to 5, 0 to 10, A to F, etc. Important: the results of programming contests are not sent to the LMS due to incompatibility between the ranking format and the grading tables of these systems. The beecrowd academic links inserted into the LMS modules serve a dual purpose. If the user is a professor, the link directs to the progress page of the homework or contest in beecrowd academic. If the user is a student, the link takes directly to beecrowd talent, opening the activity page to start solving the challenges. It is essential that the start and end dates of activities in beecrowd academic are aligned with the dates set in the LMS. Some LMS systems do not perform automatic date synchronization, which can cause issues with grade submissions. If this occurs, for example, if the deadline for an activity has passed in the LMS but is still active in beecrowd, the LMS may refuse to accept the grades. In case a synchronization problem occurs, it is possible to force the resending of grades. First, ensure that the start and end dates and times have been adjusted in both the LMS and beecrowd academic so that they are aligned, and that the final date and time of the activities are later than the current date and time, ensuring the LMS is open to receive grades. Simply access the activity where the synchronization issue occurred using your professor profile directly through the link in the LMS. By doing this, the Send Grades option will appear in the upper right corner of the beecrowd academic progress screen. Click this option to resend all grades from the exercise list to the LMS. This option only appears when the activity is accessed through the LMS. If you access the same exercise list directly via the beecrowd academic interface, the Send Grades button will not be displayed. We conclude this video about the use of beecrowd academic integrated with your institution's LMS. You learned how to insert homework assignments and programming contests within the virtual learning environment, and how to use the links to directly access beecrowd academic and beecrowd talent without needing a username and password. Don't forget to watch the other tutorials, all designed to make your experience with beecrowd academic even more efficient and intuitive. See you next time.